Welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the world of natural remedies with a surprising hero, cilantro. You know it, you might love it or hate it, but you definitely can't ignore it. Cilantro, often relegated to the side of the plate as a garnish, is actually a nutritional powerhouse with a long history of medicinal use. From ancient civilizations to modern science, this unassuming herb has been recognized for its ability to boost health and flavor. Stay tuned as we unlock the incredible benefits of cilantro, from boosting your brain power to protecting your heart and beyond. This is one leafy green you'll want to add to your grocery list. We're going beyond its bright, citrusy flavor to uncover the impressive range of health benefits cilantro offers. Often used in Mexican, Indian, and Middle Eastern cuisines, cilantro, also known as coriander, has secretly been working overtime to improve our well-being. Get ready to discover how this versatile herb can be easily incorporated into your daily routine for maximum impact. We'll explore practical tips and delicious ways to enjoy its unique flavor while reaping its incredible health advantages. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more health-boosting videos like this one. Cilantro isn't just a pretty face in the herb garden, it's a brain-boosting champion. Rich in antioxidants, cilantro helps combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to brain aging and neurodegenerative diseases. These antioxidants, including quercetin and kaempferol, act like tiny guardians, protecting your brain cells from damage. Studies have shown that cilantro may improve memory and cognitive function. Its unique blend of phytonutrients has been linked to a reduced risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. So, incorporating cilantro into your diet could be a delicious way to keep your mind sharp and focused for years to come. When it comes to heart health, cilantro deserves a standing ovation. This powerful herb has been shown to lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. Cilantro's ability to remove excess sodium and water from the body helps regulate blood pressure, easing the strain on your cardiovascular system. Furthermore, cilantro's cholesterol-lowering effects are nothing short of remarkable. It helps reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol while increasing good HDL cholesterol. This dynamic duo works in tandem to keep your arteries clear and your heart pumping strong. Inflammation is a natural process, but chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on your body. Cilantro steps in as a potent anti-inflammatory agent, thanks to its rich supply of polyphenols and terpenes. These compounds work to reduce inflammation throughout the body, protecting your cells from damage. By combating inflammation, cilantro may help prevent a range of chronic diseases, including heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Its ability to soothe inflammation makes it a valuable ally for those with inflammatory conditions. Cilantro isn't just a culinary herb, it's a powerful ally in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. For those looking to manage their blood sugar naturally, cilantro offers a safe and effective solution. Studies have shown that cilantro extract can significantly reduce blood sugar levels in people with diabetes, and even in healthy individuals. This remarkable effect stems from cilantro's ability to mimic the action of insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar. By enhancing insulin sensitivity, cilantro helps your body utilize glucose more efficiently, preventing dangerous spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Cilantro's blood sugar-lowering prowess makes it a valuable tool for managing diabetes. Adding cilantro to your diet can complement traditional diabetes treatments and help keep your blood sugar levels in check. It's important to note that cilantro shouldn't replace prescribed medications, but rather work in conjunction with them. Beyond blood sugar control, cilantro offers additional benefits for individuals with diabetes. Its antioxidant properties protect against diabetic complications like nerve damage and eye problems. Including cilantro in your meals is a delicious way to manage your diabetes while enjoying its refreshing flavor. Incorporating cilantro for blood sugar control. Adding cilantro to your diet is easy and delicious. Its versatile flavor profile complements a wide range of dishes, from salads and soups to smoothies and salsas. Try sprinkling fresh cilantro over grilled fish or chicken, adding it to your favorite guacamole recipe, or blending it into a morning smoothie. For optimal blood sugar control, enjoy cilantro regularly throughout the week. Experiment with different preparations and find what you enjoy most. With its potent blood sugar regulating properties and refreshing taste, cilantro is a simple yet powerful addition to a healthy lifestyle. A natural sleep aid: cilantro for restful nights. Struggling to get a good night's sleep? Cilantro might be the natural sleep aid you've been searching for. This unassuming herb possesses calming and relaxing properties that can help ease you into a peaceful slumber. Cilantro's high antioxidant content plays a role in reducing stress and anxiety, common culprits behind sleep disturbances. Furthermore, cilantro contains a unique blend of essential oils that promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. These oils, including linalool and geraniol, have calming effects on the nervous system, helping to quiet the mind and prepare the body for sleep. Incorporating cilantro into your evening routine could be the key to unlocking deeper, more restful sleep. Weight management and detoxification with cilantro. Looking to shed a few pounds or give your body a natural detox? Cilantro can be a valuable ally in your weight management and detoxification journey. This powerful herb aids digestion and reduces bloating thanks to its rich enzyme content. Cilantro helps break down food more efficiently, preventing digestive discomfort and promoting regularity. Moreover, cilantro acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess water weight and toxins from the body. Its detoxifying properties stem from its ability to chelate heavy metals, harmful compounds that can accumulate in the body over time. By removing these toxins, cilantro supports optimal liver function, a key player in weight management and overall health. Integrating cilantro into your routine for improved sleep and weight management is simple and enjoyable. For a relaxing bedtime ritual, try sipping on a warm cup of cilantro tea. Simply steep a handful of fresh cilantro leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy. The calming aroma and soothing properties of cilantro tea will lull you into a peaceful sleep. To support weight management and detoxification, incorporate fresh cilantro generously into your meals. Add it to salads, soups, smoothies, or use it as a flavorful garnish for grilled meats and vegetables. Cilantro's refreshing taste and potent health benefits make it a delicious addition to any diet. Cilantro isn't just a delicious herb, it's a powerful ally in the fight against cancer. This unassuming leafy green is packed with antioxidants and other bioactive compounds that have shown remarkable cancer-fighting properties. Research suggests that cilantro may inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even induce apoptosis, a process of programmed cell death that eliminates damaged cells. One of cilantro's key weapons in the fight against cancer is its ability to detoxify the body. Cilantro acts as a natural chelator, binding to heavy metals like lead and mercury, which can contribute to cancer development. By removing these toxins, cilantro helps protect cells from damage and reduces the risk of cancer growth. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, but cilantro offers a natural and delicious way to keep your cholesterol levels in check. Studies have shown that cilantro can significantly reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol while increasing levels of good HDL cholesterol. This dynamic duo works in tandem to keep your arteries clear and your heart healthy. Cilantro's cholesterol-lowering effects are attributed to its unique blend of phytonutrients, including quercetin, kaempferol, and other antioxidants. These compounds work to prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a process that contributes to plaque buildup in the arteries. By protecting your heart and improving cholesterol levels, cilantro is a valuable addition to any heart-healthy diet. Incorporating cilantro for cancer prevention and cholesterol control. Integrating cilantro into your diet for cancer prevention and cholesterol control is both simple and rewarding. This versatile herb complements a wide range of dishes, adding a burst of fresh flavor and a wealth of health benefits. Try adding a handful of fresh cilantro to your next salad, soup, or smoothie. For a flavorful and healthy snack, whip up a batch of guacamole using fresh cilantro, avocado, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. Cilantro also pairs well with grilled meats, fish, and vegetables, adding a zesty kick to any meal. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the long-term health benefits of cilantro. Aim to incorporate this powerful herb into your diet regularly for optimal results. Neuroprotective powerhouse. Cilantro for brain health. Beyond its culinary appeal, cilantro emerges as a potent neuroprotective agent, shielding your brain from damage and promoting cognitive function. Rich in antioxidants, this unassuming herb combats oxidative stress, a major contributor to brain aging and neurological disorders. These antioxidants, including quercetin, camphorol, and vitamin C, act as guardians, neutralizing harmful free radicals and protecting delicate brain cells from damage. Furthermore, cilantro boasts anti-inflammatory properties, effectively reducing inflammation throughout the body, including the brain. Chronic inflammation has been linked to neurodegenerative diseases, making cilantro a valuable ally in maintaining brain health. By incorporating cilantro into your diet, you're essentially providing your brain with the tools it needs to combat these threats and function optimally. Combating neurodegenerative diseases. Emerging research suggests that cilantro may play a role in combating neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. These debilitating conditions are characterized by the progressive loss of brain cells, leading to cognitive decline and motor impairments. While more research is needed, preliminary studies have shown promising results. Cilantro's ability to chelate heavy metals, particularly mercury, is thought to be a key factor in its potential neuroprotective effects. Heavy metal toxicity has been linked to an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases, and cilantro's detoxifying properties may help mitigate this risk. By removing these harmful compounds from the body, cilantro could potentially slow the progression of these diseases. Incorporating cilantro into your diet for optimal neurological health is both simple and enjoyable. This versatile herb complements a wide range of culinary creations, from vibrant salads and flavorful soups to zesty salsas and refreshing smoothies. Experiment with different preparations to find what tantalizes your taste buds while nourishing your brain. For a quick and easy brain-boosting snack, try adding a handful of fresh cilantro to your next smoothie. Its bright, citrusy flavor pairs well with fruits like pineapple, mango, and berries, while its potent antioxidants go to work protecting your brain. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the long-term benefits of cilantro. Make this remarkable herb a regular part of your diet to support your brain health for years to come. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today. From boosting brain power to protecting your heart and even fighting cancer, cilantro has proven itself to be a true health hero. This unassuming herb, often relegated to a garnish, is a nutritional powerhouse packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that work synergistically to enhance your well-being. Whether you're looking to improve your cognitive function, manage your blood sugar levels, enhance your sleep quality, or simply boost your overall health, incorporating cilantro into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful step in the right direction. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements over time. Now that you're aware of the incredible benefits of cilantro, let's talk about practical ways to make it a regular part of your diet. Fresh cilantro is always best, So look for vibrant green leaves with no signs of wilting. Store it in the refrigerator wrapped in a damp paper towel to maintain its freshness. You can add chopped cilantro to salads, soups, stews, and stir-fries for a burst of fresh flavor and a nutritional boost. It also blends well into smoothies and dips, like guacamole and hummus. Don't be afraid to experiment with different preparations and find what you enjoy most. As we conclude our journey into the world of cilantro, I encourage you to embrace the power of this incredible herb. Incorporate it into your diet regularly and experience the transformative benefits for yourself. Remember, taking care of your health doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. Simple changes like adding cilantro to your meals can make a world of difference. So, go ahead, add some cilantro to your life and savor the flavor of good health. And as always, thank you for joining me on this health-seeking adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family so we can all benefit from the power of cilantro. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the world of natural remedies.